Your desktop will look like this.
So firstly we will download all the required files, so you have to head to the description below and navigate to the first link. Now download this wallpaper from here. Navigate to the second link and download the rain meter from here. Now, go to the third link and download the WinStep Nexus dock. Navigate towards the fourth link and download Nature Desktop Drive file. Now, navigate to the fifth link and download this Nenelux Rainmeter skin. Navigate towards the last link and download Duxo Rainmeter skin. After downloading all these files, you have to navigate to the Downloads folder. Now we have to extract both of the files presented here. So, extract both of them one by one. Now, delete both of them. Right-click on the wallpaper and set it as your desktop background. Now right-click on the desktop and hide all the icons. Now install the Rainmeter as shown. Now this Rainmeter has some default skins, so unload all of them. Again navigate to the Downloads folder. Now install both of the downloaded Rainmeter skins. Open the Nexus dock folder. Now install the Nexus dock as shown. Now open the Nature Desktop folder. Copy this Nature Desktop folder. Now, go to the local disk C, and paste it here. Click on Nexus, now go to Advanced, then Restore, now browse to the local disk C. Open the Nature Desktop folder, now select this WS backup file and click on Apply. Now we have the layout of the dock and we will put the icons in it, but before this right-click on the icons and delete some of them because we only need 7 to 8 icons. Now, right-click on the icon, go to Properties, then Change Icon, and now browse to Local Disk C, Nature Desktop, Dock Icons, now select the icon from here. Now I have changed all the icons. Now go to the tray icons and open the Rainmeter from here. Make sure to refresh it. Now load all the skins shown in video. You can resize the skin by scrolling your mouse cursor. Place all the skins as shown on the video. I have uploaded a variety of desktop themes on PC tutorials. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.